Arata na andu a nyumba ya Waithaka marokire kururungana nginyagia hingo-ini cia thibitari-ini uyu makihinyiriria kumenyithio uma wa kiria kiraria kingi kuona nginyagia umuthi mihango ya kumucaria ndiriraciara matunda omothe.
Wanatuzungusha atuambii, hata askari wakituona hata tukenda kwa mochari wanakataza tuongee na yule jamaa mochari.
Waithaka arehirwo thibitari-ini uyu muthi wa gatatu kiumia kihituku thutha wa kugwa na kwirigwo ari wira-ini mwena wa Langalanga. Andu a nyumba yake makiuga macokire kumenyithio ciigie kura gwake muthi wa Jumamothi.
Mtafuta hapa kwa maward, kwa mochari huko kwa Jack, pengine tukafikiria anaweza kuwa ametoka huko, hatukumpata.
On Saturday he disappeared from the hospital to where we don't know. So we are concerned as relatives and we really want to know where he is.
Kuringana na Joseph Buru, umwe wa arugamiriri thibitari-ini ino, kura kwa murwaru uyu ni uhoro uri na kiriga kuona ugitiri ukoragwo ugacirithitio mathaa mothe, akiuga riu uthuthuria uri moko-ini ma borithi niguo kumenya uria Waithaka angikorwo aumire thibitari-ini uyu gutekumenyeka.
We have already invited the police officer and I think that is something that is already being done. The police officer, one of the relatives, and maybe a friend will go to the CCTV room and they will be able to go through all the images that may be able to guide us and help us to trace this person.
Gicanjama giki kiyumiritie oriri thibitari tiganite thiini wa county igumeirwo ni mathina Kiodorita ari hamwe na wagi wa dawa na muhatikano wa arwaru undu uria ningi ucungiriirie unyihu wa nyumba cia kuiga miri. County ya Kiambu ni imwe ya county irigumeirwo ni thina uyu kumana na namba nene ya arwaru, gicunji kia 50 harĩ 100 gikirikana kuma county ya Nairobi, undu uria urituhitie mihango ya urigitani na gucungiriria muhatikano munene wa arwaru. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.